Hello everyone. If your Wi-Fi signal from your Spectrum router doesn't reach every single room, a Netgear Wi-Fi extender can fix that. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can connect your Netgear extender to your Spectrum router step by step. So before we even begin, you just have to place the Netgear extender in the same room as your Spectrum router for the initial setup. You can just simply move it later. So first of all, you need to plug the extender into the wall outlet. After that, you just have to wait for the power light to turn solid. It usually takes about 1 minute. Now you need to press the WPS button on your Spectrum router. So here you need to wait for another 2 minutes and then you need to press the WPS button on the Netgear extender as well. Now wait for the extender's WPS or Wi-Fi light to turn solid green or white. That means it's successfully connected. Now if your extender connects to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, you can just simply repeat the WPS setup if it is needed. Now you need to open your Wi-Fi or your laptop and here simply click on the settings, then click on the option of taskbar settings. So in the taskbar settings, you just have to look for the option of system, or you can directly use the search bar and then you can search for Wi-Fi. So here, once you are inside the Wi-Fi settings, simply connect to the extender's default network name. It usually looks like netgear_ext. So once it is connected, it will be shown over here something like this. So currently I've connected to some another Wi-Fi network, but it will show you connected just like so. Now once it is connected successfully, simply open your web browser. You need to type my wifi-angst.net in the address bar. Then simply follow further on-screen instructions like selecting your Spectrum Wi-Fi network from the list, then entering the Spectrum Wi-Fi password and wait for the extender to connect. So after the setup is completed, you can just simply unplug the extender and then you can move it halfway between your Spectrum router and the weak Wi-Fi area. So once it is done, simply plug it back in and make sure that the signal light shows a good connection. If the signal is weak, you can move it closer to the router. Your extender may create a new network name, often ending with _ext. So you can connect both the devices to that network using the same Wi-Fi password unless you changed it during the setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.